In the high-intensity world of a casino, incidents are inevitable. Whether it's a significant financial loss for a high roller, a heated argument, a security issue, or even a medical emergency, such events leave behind a heavy residue of stagnant, chaotic, and negative energy. This energetic hangover can permeate the space, subconsciously affecting the mood of patrons and staff, leading to shorter visits, increased tension, and a decline in luck. For a business dependent on the flow of positive energy and chance, a swift and effective cleansing ritual is not a luxury, it's a critical operational procedure. The following 3-step method, utilizing the potent tools of salt lamps and gongs, provides a structured protocol to quickly reset the casino's energy and restore a state of prosperous balance. Step Y: absorption and stabilization with salt lamps. The immediate goal after an incident is to absorb the scattered negative energy and begin grounding the space. Himalayan salt lamps are perfect for this initial phase. Salt is historically recognized across cultures for its purifying properties, and the warm, amber glow of a salt lamp emits calming, negative ions that neutralize disruptive energies. Action protocol: immediately after the incident is resolved and the area is physically cleared, strategically place several large Himalayan salt lamps around the affected zone. The key areas are the exact spot of the incident and the 4 corners of the larger section, for example, the entire table game area or a bank of slot machines. The lamps should be turned on and left to burn continuously for a minimum of shi qian su shi pa hours. Energetic function: the salt acts as an energetic sponge, drawing in and trapping the chaotic vibrations. The gentle light begins the process of stabilizing the environment, replacing the sha qi, killing breath, with a warm, soothing energy. This first step is crucial for preventing the negative energy from spreading to other parts of the casino. Step disruption and dispersion with gong baths. Once the negative energy has been absorbed and contained, the next step is to break it up and disperse it. Sound is one of the most powerful tools for this purpose, as its vibrations can shatter stagnant energy patterns. A gong, with its complex, multi-layered frequencies and profound, sustained resonance, is ideal for creating an all-encompassing sound bath that washes through the space. Action protocol: before the casino opens or after it closes, a trained practitioner should sound a large gong in the cleansed area. This is not a random banging but a deliberate, rhythmic process. Start at the perimeter of the area and move inward, focusing the sound waves toward the center. The gong should be struck firmly, allowing its vibrations to fill the entire space for wu qianxia minutes. Pay special attention to corners and under tables where energy can become stuck. Energetic function: the powerful vibrations of the gong act like an energetic shockwave, literally breaking apart the clusters of negative energy that the salt lamps have absorbed. It loosens the stagnant qi, making it easier to clear away. The sound also resets the ambient vibrational frequency of the room back to a neutral, clean state. Steps on: recalibration and invitation of fresh qi. With the old, negative energy broken apart, the final step is to sweep it away and invite fresh, positive, and prosperous energy to take its place. This step completes the reset and actively programs the space for renewed success. Action protocol: this is a 2-part process. First, physically clean the area, vacuum, mop, and wipe down all surfaces. As you do this, visualize all remnants of the incident being physically and energetically removed. Secondly, reintroduce a specific element of positive, active energy. The most effective method is to activate a water feature. Turn on a fountain or ensure an aquarium's pump is running vigorously. If no water feature is present, a small group of staff or selected lucky patrons can be invited to initiate play at the cleansed tables or machines, symbolically seeding the area with new, positive intentions. Energetic function: the physical cleaning symbolizes a full reset. The activated water feature then harnesses the water element's power to represent the fresh, uninterrupted flow of wealth and luck back into the space. This final, proactive step ensures the vacuum left by the cleansing is filled with benevolent and prosperous energy, swiftly returning the casino to its optimal operational state. By implementing this clear, 3-step protocol of absorption, salt lamps, disruption, gong bath, and recalibration, cleaning and water, a casino management team can efficiently manage not just the physical but also the energetic fallout of any incident. This disciplined approach to casino energy cleansing ensures that the house's luck remains resilient, protecting its most valuable asset, a vibrant and prosperous atmosphere.